So, we're aware that numbers give us a great idea of the success of something on Facebook. But if we take, for example, Justin Bieber's Baby, it's been viewed 1.4 billion times on YouTube, or almost 1.4 billion, which is hugely successful. However, if we look at the dislikes on this video, 6.1 million. This is the most disliked video on YouTube. So, although the amount of times this has been viewed and the amount of times this has been liked, 4.5 million, this video could be interpreted as unsuccessful as it has the most dislikes on any video on YouTube by far. Second place has about 2.7 million dislikes if I have a look at the list here. 2.07, sorry. Now that could be interpreted as a very unsuccessful video. So numbers don't always mean everything. A better example I can give is that on a small post like this, an amount of negative feedback could be detrimental to the page. For example, if we scroll down to the AJ's Foods post that I spoke about earlier, it was commented on 41 times. If I just open this like this, it had 41 comments on the original post. Now, although that's great, it could also be fairly dangerous because people can say whatever they want on Facebook. There's no limit to what somebody can say. So instead of just looking at the quantitative information, we also want to look at the qualitative information. We want to see what these comments say. Now, luckily, on this particular post, the comments were all fairly positive. However, if a comment had been negative on this post, it could have sparked more negative comments. And therefore, we could have had a lot of people jumping on the bandwagon and writing negative comments on the post itself. Now, this could give our post a bad name. This could lead our post to being commented on with negative comments more often. This could lead to people having an interpretation of our page and not wanting to be involved with our page, which would be detrimental to a small page like this. So we can't always measure the success of a post from just numbers. We also need to look at the qualitative information, the information that isn't generated by numbers.